I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use maps in Salesforce Apex. Maps are powerful data structures that store information as unique key-value pairs. Think of them like a dictionary where each word or key has a specific definition or value. This structure allows for incredibly fast data lookup and organization, making your Apex code more efficient and robust. Understanding maps is a cornerstone of effective Salesforce development. To begin using a map, you first need to declare and initialize it. You specify the data types for both the key and the value. For instance, an ID for the key and an account object for the value. You can create an empty map, or you can populate it directly from a SQL query, which is a common and efficient practice in Salesforce Apex. This setup prepares your map for data storage. Once your map is initialized, you can easily add and access its elements. The put method allows you to insert new key-value pairs. To retrieve a specific value, you simply use its corresponding key with the get method. It's good practice to use contains key to verify if a key exists before attempting to retrieve its value, preventing potential errors. You can also loop through all keys or values. Maps are incredibly valuable for optimizing your Apex code and avoiding governor limits. They allow you to process large volumes of data, perhaps 50,000 records, with just one SQL query, significantly improving performance. Use them to store related records, like accounts and their contacts, for quick lookups. Remember to always include null checks when retrieving values to ensure robust and error-free code.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.